Welcome to the new era of mobile data. Welcome to SpaceX's Starlink Satellites. In the middle of nowhere, yet connected, that's Starlink's promise, bringing internet access to every corner of the globe. SpaceX released thousands of satellites to create an interconnected network, a space-based internet providing high-speed data anywhere. But how does it work? The satellites communicate with each other and Starlink ground stations, creating a seamless World Wide Web. Starlink is not just about data. It's about opportunity, equality, and access. It's bringing the world closer, one satellite at a time. Challenges? Yes, they exist. But SpaceX's commitment to overcome them is unwavering, with regular launches to improve network capacity and coverage. The future of mobile data is here, thanks to SpaceX's Starlink satellites. Connect to the future, connect to Starlink.